this is probably why I guess my firm was a little bit more successful, is because they actually understood the technology behind it. So I guess the law in itself, the law is, and I'm sure everyone's heard this before, the law is not black and white.
Yeah.
It's specifically written on purpose to be broad to an extent, in most jurisdictions anyway, for the courts to be able to interpret it in a way that they see fit, that is relevant to the time and age at that particular date. So it was specifically broad. So at that time, the regulators didn't want to touch it. There was no case law. There was no precedence because no one was going to court because it was too expensive as well. So what was happening is different lawyers were interpreting things in different ways. So nobody knew 100%, but I guess you had to use your best intuition as to how it would fit. I think one of the problems back then is that a lot of lawyers didn't understand the technology.
Yeah, okay.
And this is probably why I guess my firm was a little bit more successful, is because they actually understood the technology behind it. So if you didn't understand the technology, it was very difficult to actually apply the law to
100%.
it. So I think in that sense, it was, I guess, one of our key differentiators. And right now, though, obviously there are a lot of lawyers that do understand the technology quite well. But back then, I was quite young back then. There wasn't many. So
yeah, and it was similar to us.